Hello girls and guys, welcome back to Robothoughts, the most excellent series 0 to Hero, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 67 and I am going to show you looping through an index number. Alright, now what does that mean? You did see that same thing in our previous lessons. What was that? Yeah, you can just keep guessing, just go back and refer guys. It's the same stuff what we are going to do, but in a different way. Let's see. Now I am going to share my screen and I am going to open our previous file, which is nano tuple.py. Alright, this was our previous program. I am going to delete that and I'm going to show you how to loop into the tuple. Alright guys, so let me create an example. This tuple equals to, say, Iron Man, right, with a double quote, and then Dr. Strange with a double quote open and close, and then Hulk with a double quote open and close, and then you can close the bracket, round bracket. Alright, so how do we loop? You had seen multiple examples guys. Yes, using for. This is a for loop, right? For I, you are creating an object I in range. Okay, now we are going to use the function called, guess what is that? Len, L-E-N. Exactly, the length function, len. Okay, inside the bracket, and again what length? For this tuple, the list, the tuple which you had already created, right? Okay, len this tuple, and then you close it, and then again you got to close the bracket, right? Next, what is that syntax we are going to use? Colon. Exactly, that's what it is. All right, now indentation guys. Before printing, you got to indent it as and whenever you are using any kind of loop or any kind of type you are calling in, right? Print this tuple, and this tuple of what you are going to print? I. Okay, that's the object which you created. Okay, now close the bracket. Alright, I hope this works. Let me Control O to save, enter, Control X, and then now let's execute the program. Python 3 tuple.py, Iron Man next to the Doctor Strange and the Hulk. Can you see the loop, how it works? So guys, it's almost the same way how we did in the list, how we looped in and kind of them. So that's how it is guys. It's pretty simple, and just take this example and you can just play around, create your own example. Just make sure that use the terminal, keep typing, and make sure that you practice on the syntaxes. Very important. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I hope you like this video. See you soon.